Then practice set 3.4 application of an AP. Next topic is application of AP. Practice set 3.4. First problem. Question is that on 1st January 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10. On first day of 2016, Sanika saves rupees 10. Then on second day, Sanika saves rupees 11. And on third day, Sanika saves rupees 12. If she decides to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, what would be her total saving? On 1st January 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10. So 1st January 2016 to 31st December 2016. Here 1st Jan 2016 to 31st December 2016. How many days between 1st Jan 2016 to 31st Jan to December 2016? 31st here December. 2016 is a leap year. So how many days? Number of days means n equal to 366 days in a leap year. So 2016 here solution is 2016 is a leap year. Therefore, number of days in a leap year, number of days in leap year, number of days that is n is small n equal to 366. So, 1st January 2016, Sanika saves rupees 10. So, first day she saves rupees 10. On second day she saves rupees 11. And third day she saves rupees 12 and so on. So this is AP. 10, 11, 12 here difference is 1. So, this sequence is an AP. So, therefore, rupees 10, rupees 11 on second day, rupees 12 on third day. If she decides to save like this, so therefore first day rupees 10, second day rupees 11. Right here Sanika saves. Sanika saves first day rupees 10, second day 11 and third day rupees 12. So this sequence is an AP. Therefore 10, 11, 12 and so on is an AP. So first term is A, second term is 11, third term is 12. So here A equal to A equal to 10. Okay, then difference equal to 11 minus 10, that is 1. So difference equal to 1. Here first term is 10, first term, and here common difference. D equal to 11 minus 10 equal to 1. Then question is that how many, what would be her total savings? What would be her total savings? So number of days in leap year 316. So here n equal to 366 and find s of 366 equal to question mark. Put all the values we know that as n equal to n upon 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Here find s of 366. So we take Sn equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. So write down here sum of 366 terms because number of days in a leap year is 366. Therefore sum of 366 days equal to 366 divided by 2. Here 2 into first term is 10. So 2 into 10 plus n is 366 minus 1 and d is also 1. D is 1. Solve this. 366 divided by 2 means 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 133. In the bracket, twice 8, 2 10s are 20 plus 366 minus 1, 365 into 1 means 365. Here 183 into 20 plus 365, 385 and 183 into 385. So 385 into 133. Solve this. 5 3s are 15. Seven zero 455. So sum of 366 term is 70,455. So what would be her saving? So Sanika saves 17,455 in a leap year in 2016. Here, problem number 4. There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row, 22 seats in the second row, 24 seats in the third row and so on. Find the number of seats in 15th row and also find how many total seats are there in the auditorium. Okay, there is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. Solution 4. Okay. There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row. The number of seats in each row. The number of seats in each row are as follows. In first row, the number of seats in first row, the number of seats are, there are 20 seats in the first row. So here 20 seats in the first row, 22 seats in the second row and 24 seats in the third row and so on. Okay, then 20 seats in the first row, 22 seats in the second row and 24 seats in the third row. Here first row means first term, that is A equal to T1 equal to 20. D equal to 22 minus 20 means D equal to 2. Number of seats in each row equal to number of seats means n equal to 27. And find the number of seats in 15th row means find T15 equal to question mark, and how many total number of seats in auditorium. So here there are 27 rows. Number of rows is 27. So find S27. Sum of 27 rows equal to question mark. We know that twenty, 22, 24 is in AP. This is AP. Yeah? So first term A equal to T1 equal to 20, difference 2, N equal to 20. Write down here first term, here common difference, N means number of terms, T15 means 15th number of terms in number of rows in number 15. T15 means T15 for find the number of seats in the 15th row. T15 means number of seats in the 15th row and total number of seats in the auditorium, that is 27 rows. Therefore find S27. So we know that Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Find T15. So write down here n equal to 15, A is 20 plus n is 27 minus 1 and D is 2. Solve this. Equal to 20 plus 27 minus 1, 26 into 2, 20 plus 52 and 52 plus 20, 72. So number of seats in 15th row is 72. Then find total number of seats in the auditorium. Here total number of rows is 27. So find S27. We know that Sn equal to n upon 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. Find S27. So put n equal to 27 equal to 27 upon 2, 2 into A is 20 plus n is 27 minus 1 into D is 2. 27 upon 2, first solve, multiply 22, 22 is 40 plus 27 minus 1, 26 into 2. So first we have to solve, multiply 27 by 2, 40 plus 26 2 is 52. Here first solve, multiply and then add 27 by 2 into 50 plus 40, 92. Then here 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Means 27 into 46. So S27 equal to 27 into 46. 46 into 27. 2, 4. So total seats in auditorium is 1242. This is the total seats in auditorium. Means S27 equal to 1242. Problem number 6. On the World Environment Day, tree plantation program was arranged on a land which is triangular in shape. Trees are planted such that in the first row there is one tree. In the second row there are two trees. In the third row there are three trees, and so on. Then find the total number of trees in the 25th row. Here the number of rows, the number of trees in each row. 6 solution. In each row. First row, the number of trees is 1. In second row, second 2, and in third row number of trees are 3, and so on. Here there are 25 rows and all rows are in triangular shape. So here first row, in first row there is one tree. In second row there is two trees, and in third row there are three trees. Okay, this is the triangular in shape. This is the triangular in shape. So here in first row, first one tree, second row two tree, third row three trees. So number of trees, therefore the number of trees in each row 1, 2, 3 are in AP. Therefore all the trees are in AP. Therefore total number of trees, total number of rows, that is n, equal to 25. Here first term a equal to 1, common difference d equal to 2 minus 1, 1, and small n equal to 25. Then find sum of trees, means S 25 equal to question mark. We know that Sn equal to n upon 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. So put n equal to 25. S25 equal to 25 upon 2, 2 into 1 plus 25 minus 1 into 1. Here 25 upon 2, 2 into 1, 2, plus 25 minus 1, 24, and 24 into 1, 24. Equal to 25 upon 2 25 upon 2, and 2 plus 24 is 26. 2 ones are 2, 2 13s are 26, and 25 into 13. So S25 equal to 325. So total number of trees are 325. This is the last problem of this exercise.